What up, world? I'm Tommy.
And I'm Celie.
And today we taking over
Sammy's Cheesecake. Right off of Washington Road, right, baby?
Washington Road, East Point.
Yep.
Alright, we got 4 different types of cake that we're going to
indulge in, I would say.
Pretty much. We got lemon,
chocolate. Oh yeah. What we got, baby?
red velvet with the abundance of pecans on it.
Okay. And then we have the strawberry as well.
Now, I've ate this cake before, and if you do not like store-bought cake / icing / just come to Sammy. This is some good. This is some of that homemade cake.
Period.
They $7 a piece, but slice so big, it's like you get 2 in 1. So you pretty much getting 2 slices of cake for $7. It's worth it.
All right, so we're gonna dive in to the double chocolate cake. Okay. Y'all see that?
Real good.
2-layer chocolate cake. You ready, baby?
Ladies first.
Let's see. I'm missing a little piece. I need all that.
Oh, soft. Very, very soft.
Let me tell you. If you like chocolate cake, that thing busting.
Yeah, that double chocolate, it's a whole heap of chocolate. This for the chocolate lovers, the double chocolate. It's real good. Chocolate.
Very good, I would say.
Okay. Next cake we're going to get into is a strawberry cake. Don't know what kind of icing on it, but you will find out as soon as we're done.
A strawberry cake, that's that homemade cake.
I'm gonna tell you, these pieces are huge, and then they cut them down the middle. So I'm guessing they doing that so you know you're really getting 2 pieces of cake.
Right.
So
I'm gonna let
you can actually share with your significant other. You ain't got to eat it all to yourself, like I do.
I'm gonna let you dive in, Tommy.
Now
let me know how it go.
Moist.
What is him like?
Strawberry's good. Sour cream icing. It tastes like, ain't it?
Yeah, that's like a sour cream icing.
But again, moist.
Let me tell you though.
We had it moist. These cakes are moist.
When I tell you, that strawberry cake is hitting.
Yes, it's very, very good. They have I want to say 5 or 6 different. No, actually more than 4. They got about 6 to 8 flavors.
They got cheesecakes. They got cakes.
Yeah.
That strawberry cake though.
They got like a little rewards point system where you do, if you get 8 slices of cake, the 9th one is free.
Which is good.
Yeah, it is. It's worth it. If y'all like cake, you want to, win your significant other over when they get mad and they like cake, go to Sammy's. This one right here is the red velvet with the pecans.
I would say this is Tommy's favorite.
Yes, it is.
Tommy going there every week for it.
Yes, I do. I had to get a big piece of that.
Baby, that's a fat piece.
And it's even better with vanilla ice cream. That's what I would pair this with. Vanilla ice cream. Very good.
That's a fat piece.
Let me see how good it is. Let me see if it's fat good. Oh yeah.
Let me see what Tommy talking about, because at this point I'm about to catch a sugar rush.
They got pecans all throughout this cake.
I put the fork down one time.
Really need a cup of milk with this cake.
Babe.
Matter of fact,
The
I need to get a
pecans.
cup of milk.
The pecans are so perfectly chopped.
Yeah, they do give you a nice. They got some with and some without pecans for the red velvet. So if you don't like pecans, you don't have to get one with pecans on it. But
Y'all see all them cakes? We wasn't playing.
we're trying to bring y'all good
Good eats.
yeah, pretty much. And go ahead, baby, take the lemon cake. I've never
Take
had
it away.
Yeah, go ahead and handle that. I'm right behind you.
Come on. All right, this is the lemon cake.
Again, the cake is big enough for you to slice it down the middle and save something for tomorrow.
Period. All right, let's go. I like lemon, so. Oh, lemon icing.
Does it smell lemony?
Babe.
No, go ahead. Let me keep my own. Is it lemony? Enough said. Say less.
Babe, you could taste the lemon zest in it.
Oh yeah, this is real good lemon cake. Real good lemon cake.
You can't even fake like it's not lemon. I mean, can I dive back in?
We always got them cakes. Somebody gonna eat it.
Somebody gotta eat it. You right.
But again, yo, Sammy's Cheesecake, Washington Road.